Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix iPhone Bluetooth not connecting after iOS 17 update. First of all, open the settings of your iPhone. Then, you need to turn off the airplane mode and Bluetooth. After that, scroll down and click on General. Then scroll down and tap on Shutdown. Then slide to power off the device. Turn it on and go to the phone settings again. Go to Bluetooth and turn it on. Turn on the airplane mode and then Bluetooth devices will be shown. Go to General and open the Software Update section. If an update is available, download and install it. That's how you can fix iPhone Bluetooth not connecting after the iOS 17 update. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.